Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, I'm gonna introduce you to the Microsoft Excel and some of its very basic functions. But first, let me name a few of its parts. Starting off with the Sheet tab. When you open the Microsoft Excel, three Sheet tabs are already available. You can rename it according to your liking or your preference and even add more sheets depending on how many exactly you need. Second is the column and the column letters. These are your columns and your column letters are A, B, C, and so on and so forth. Then the row and the row numbers. Your row numbers are 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. Then the name box. All you have to do is to make a cell active, then type in the name you would want to call it and hit enter. Another is the formula bar. You get to see the formulas you've used through the formula bar, and lastly, the office button. Now for the first function, it is the now function. The now function is useful when you need to display the current date and time on a worksheet or calculate a value based on the current date and time and have that value updated each time you open the worksheet. For the next function, it is the AutoSum. If you need to sum a column or row of numbers, let Excel do the math for you. Select a cell next to the numbers you want to sum, click AutoSum on Home tab, press Enter, and you're done. When you click AutoSum, Excel automatically enters a formula that uses the sum function to sum the numbers. There are various ways to autosum a certain range of values. Here, I've presented two ways to do that. For the next function, we have the data validation. Excel can restrict data entry to certain cells by using data validation. Data validation prompts users to enter valid data when a cell is selected and display an error message when a user enters an invalid data. To perform data validation, select one or more cells to validate. On the Data tab in the Data Tools group, click Data Validation. On the Settings tab in the Allowed box, select List. In the Source box, type your list values separated by commas. In this video, I did 3 data validation so that you may study how it is properly done. For our third function, we have the if function. The if function is one of the most popular functions in Excel, and it allows you to make logical comparisons between a value and what you expect. To use the if function, one of the logical functions, return one value if a condition is true and another value if it's false. For example, if select the cell, for example E11, is greater than 75 passed. So that's for today. Thank you for watching.